Welcome. If you're an admin looking to enable saving content in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest update, managing your group's privacy and content sharing settings has never been easier. Today, I'll walk through each step so your group members can save, copy, and forward content as you allow. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram Web. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left. Find the group where you're an admin and click to open it. At the top right corner of the group chat window, look for the three dots icon. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Edit or Manage Group. The wording might vary slightly depending on your version, but it's always near the top of the list. Now, you're in the group's management settings. Here, look for the section labeled Group Type. Click on it to enter the group type settings. This is where you control who can do what in your group. Scroll down until you find the option called Allow Saving Content or Restrict Saving Content. If you want your members to be able to save, copy, and forward content, make sure this setting is enabled. Toggle it so it's active. If it says Restrict Saving Content, you'll want to turn that off so the switch appears grayed out. This change will allow your group members to save and share content freely. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes. Some versions of Telegram Web will save automatically, but it's always good to double-check for a save button and click it if you see one. That's it. You've successfully enabled saving content in your Telegram group on Telegram Web. Now your members can fully engage with the content you share, making your group more interactive and dynamic. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy managing your Telegram community.